So over here, you can see that I got two videos. So I have video 1 right here and video 2. And this is when I have my timeline enabled. I can see both of these right here. If I want to add in a third video, I can simply press the plus button to add in a new page, and then I can go around over here and select any video that I like and then bring it in right here. Then what happens is that I can select the in and out point and then confirm to bring this video in right here. Resize it, and then I have this video right here. So I'm just going to go around, resize it, and there you go. So I got 3 videos around over here, as you can see. So this is the first video, then comes the second video right here as it plays through the timeline right there. But what I want to do is I want to go around and let's say change the length of this video. So over here, this is the video that I have. But if I were to go around and then let's say, for example, go around onto the scissor icon and trim video, then you can see that see the exact portion for where I trim this video. I can simply go around and choose around the whole length or trim out this as per how I want right here and click on confirm to change around the trim area of the video. And over here on the bottom, you can see that this video pops up first right here. That is the teacher holding the globe, and then you got the student studying right there, and then someone studying outside right here. So let's say this is a student studying as well. But if you want to go around and then change around the order of these videos, then you can simply click and drag around the videos, as you can see right here. And what happens is that the order simply changes out. So if I were to go around and press the play button, you can see that that is the video right there. It plays out first, and then you have this video right here that is playing out, and then you have the other video. And that is how the timeline actually works right here. So that is how you can go around and then arrange out videos in timeline according to how you want inside of VistaCreate. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.